All right, so good day, guys. Good day, good day, good day to you all. Welcome back again. A second video we're dropping today. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. And as always, thanks for being here. You guys know the YouTube stuff by now. Knock up the likes button, subscribe to the channel, share the video. All free and easy ways to support the channel and to give the channel a strength. We're talking about the reggae girls in this video. It's been a while since I've spoken about the reggae girls. Holy palms, those always. Yo, me remember one time I did up on Crystal stream. Crystal from Talawa TV. Crystal, big up. And remember Crystal was making a point years ago that you always hear the reggae boys in the arms house, you hear them arms house around the reggae girls. Why things and times have changed. Their arms, yo, the amount of drama over the reggae girls side of the aisle. Crazy. But major developments taking place. And normally the announcement of a squad, of a match squad, wouldn't class it a major development. But the situation a little different. Seeing if you look at your screen, you would see the squad to your right. And this is a major development because you can kind of say now it seems as if the impasse between the Reggae Girls World Cup squad and the JFF, it seems as if, it appears as if it is, it is behind us. A number of the World Cup Reggae Girls are back in the mix, have made the squad to play these two friendly games against Brazil, two upcoming friendly games versus Brazil, and the squad has been announced. And you guys see the squad on your screen. A number of the World Cup Reggae Girls are in it, so it's a good look, and I am very happy, very, very, very happy to see the World Cup Reggae Girls. But not all of them are back, but a number of them are back. For instance, obviously Khadija Bonisha is not in the mix because of her injury, but a number of them are back. So it's a good look. One that I don't see right off the bat also is Salai Washington as well. So there are a few that are not in it, but most of them are back, and it's a good look. It's a good look, and we're very happy to see that, right? It's good to see the top squad, the top girls, our girls. We did, our girls today were represented us well, the ones that filled in, and we appreciate it. They tried their best and nearly got through. And one thing them sure we say, oh, the depth of the Reggae Girls is the Reggae Girls have a deep pool, because the Reggae Girls B team almost qualified for the Women's Gold Cup, just barely miss it. And one could have argued say just some little mistakes and some bad refereeing decisions and so forth prevented those girls from getting there. A few of those girls as well are also in this squad, like for instance Izzy Groves, which is not surprising. From we see Izzy Groves are roll the leather, we know say Izzy Groves did suppose to in at the 18. Izzy Groves are baller. I'd love to see Izzy Groves and Drew Spence in that midfield. So yeah, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the Reggae Girl squad. And is a good look. Almost not exactly up to full strength, but not really far off it either. Naya Cardoza rather is a defender that I need to do some research on, and I'm not so sure if she's making her debut, but this is the first time I'm seeing that name. Also, Amelia Van Zanten is another one that I don't think I've ever seen Amelia in the senior team before. So if I'm not mistaken, Amelia is Mimi. I think Amelia is Mimi Van Zanten. She's a younger sister of Kiki Van Zanten. If memory serves me right, it's three sisters. I stand corrected. I think Amelia is the one that you call Mimi Van Zanten, if I'm not mistaken. I stand corrected where that is concerned. But yeah, it's a good look. It's a good look to see most of the top reggae girls back. The Chantel Swabys, the Alison Swabys, the Kanya Plumbers, the Dens, the Vian Sampsons. You know, Jade Bailey is a player we haven't seen in a long time. Jade was out for a long time with serious injury as well. So I think if remember Sir Ranch played the Chile friendlies. Remember Sir Ranch was in the Chile friendlies. But before that, it was a long time since we hadn't seen Jade Bailey, right? Tiffany Cameron, Prezi, my favorite reggae girl. You know, Paige Bailey Gale. You know, yeah, man, is a good look, man. Kayla McKenna, TrudiCarter. I mean, we can't call out the whole of them. Jody Brown, Atlanta Primus, Pete McNamara is a good look, man. Is a good look. Joe Spence as well. You know, one of my favorites as well, for sure. The top three goalkeepers, first choice, second, third choice, they're all back. So it's a good look. Major developments with coaching staff now. Busby is back, ladies and gentlemen. Busby is back. Right? Busby is back. Which was kind of a bit shocking. It just, I don't know, it just kind of come out of nowhere. But Busby is back. By the way, to remind you guys, the friendlies against Brazil are on June the 1st and June the 4th, right? But Busby is back. Major development. Major development. So Xavier Gilbert is now back to being assistant, and Busby has now returned as head coach. And you guys remember Busby had to step aside a few years ago because of damning allegations against him of sexual misconduct, you know, in relation to his time over a decade ago, if memory serves me right, when he was at Vancouver Whitecaps. And he had to step aside. JFF, you know, took him out the equation. And what the reports are indicating is that the Jamaica Football Federation asked FIFA to thoroughly investigate the allegations surrounding Hubert Busby. And the FIFA investigations have concluded that, you know, Busby is clear of all charges. You know, FIFA no find nothing for hold on upon him for. So Busby is an innocent man, basically. Innocent man. When I saw this story, the first thing that popped into my head was, one, what do the girls think about this? And two, what do sponsors think about this? I'm sure the JFF had to have consulted with these key stakeholders. I mean, I don't see the JFF, even though he's an innocent man. Remember, you know, the sad reality, you know, is that we're living in a day and age where perception is reality. Sadly, for many, perception is reality. The allegations are pretty damning. We're also living in an age where some people have certain philosophical beliefs. For instance, some people believe in what they refer to as the Believe Her campaign or something like that, where if a female just gets up and accuses a man of sexual assault, we should just believe her, which is obviously biggest load of foolishness ever. But you have some people who have those philosophical beliefs. You have people that feel very strongly about people being national representatives who have these sort of allegations, who have had these sort of allegations that have been connected or attached to their names. You have some fans that feel very strongly about it, and that can influence the opinions of corporate Jamaica. Does corporate Jamaica feel comfortable? Do the sponsors that work with the JFF, although I don't think there are that many, but the few that are there, are they comfortable with Busby's return? Very important question. Corporate Jamaican, I don't think them really business but ethics still. You know? I mean, corporate entities on a whole, them no business but ethics and morals and them things. Them any way the breeze a blow, corporate entities going in that direction. They see them only business but where consumers think. And what they, you know, what consumers think and their opinions influence what corporate entities choose to align their brands with. So I would like to think the JFF consulted these key stakeholders, corporate Jamaica, mainly their sponsors, and also the Reggae Girlz. From my understanding of it, I've been reliably informed by an impeccable source that Busby was logistics manager for the Reggae Girlz in the 2023 World Cup. And from reports, it seems as if the girls were comfortable with him. From what is being reported, they didn't have any issues with him. Also, you have to remember, a lot of the girls in this current crop of Reggae Girlz, Busby is the one who recruited them and brought them into the setup. A Busby met enough of them Reggae Girlz in our squad right now, people. So, when you look at it from that perspective, when you look at it from that perspective, more than likely the girls are okay with him, and the report suggests that the girls are okay with him. One of the things more of a point out, though, from my understanding of it, one of the reasons why, or a big reason why FIFA cleared Busby is that he had an alibi in terms of from a whereabouts standpoint, in relation to the facts of the case. He had an alibi that basically suggested or basically of a fact he was not near the accuser at the time when the accuser stated that the incident occurred. He has an alibi. The thing about it is that, and that's why FIFA concluded, that was a big reason why FIFA concluded that he is free to go and free of all charges. My thing is, why the JFF not make that be known publicly? I think that's a big deal. That's all them things that the JFF explain to the public. If you're going to make a potentially controversial decision like this to, bring back Busby into the fold, you need to give a detailed and you need to be thorough in your reasons and state that publicly so that all stakeholders have a good understanding of why you have made this potentially controversial decision. Don't just get up and say, oh, FIFA clear him. Probably, you have the naysayers where I say, oh, what, FIFA clear him, they never have enough evidence. So them couldn't, convict him. Well, convict is not the right word, but they couldn't find him guilty. No, Busby, from my understanding, I've been reliably informed that Busby had an alibi. So them things that, I don't know, people, them things that JFF supposed to state it publicly and be thorough in the explanation and in giving the facts of the case. Don't just release a statement on Instagram or Busby a forward back FIFA clearing. No, I don't think that good enough. Honestly, I don't think that good enough, to be honest with you. So, those are my thoughts where that is concerned. By the way, it should also be stated that I think FIFA takes matters like this very seriously as well. So I have no doubt that FIFA did a thorough investigation into this matter. FIFA take matters like this very seriously. They should, for reasons that many people would even begin to fathom. FIFA would take matters like this very seriously and get to the bottom of it and be thorough. So, yeah, man, let us see how Busby does going forward. Let us see how Busby does going forward. From a coaching standpoint, hopefully he can get the results, and hopefully, the team can. One of the biggest things we beat the Reggae Girlz with is from an attacking standpoint. I think the girls have the potential to do much better than they have done in the past. So, let us see how Busby. I think we should give him a fair chance and make us see how him go about the business. Knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.